Welcome back to Crafted Wood Studio. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of artistry in wood. If you've ever marveled at a beautifully crafted wooden item, you're not alone. There's something truly enchanting about the natural grain, the warmth, and the touch of handcrafted wood. But what goes into creating these stunning pieces? Let's find out. Cut to a craftsman at work, shaping a piece of wood. The journey begins with a vision. Artisans start with an idea. What will this piece become? A beautiful dining table, a rustic shelf, or perhaps a delicate sculpture. Before any cutting begins, research and planning play a crucial role. Each wood type has its unique characteristics, from softwoods to hardwoods, and knowing which to use can make all the difference in the final product. Scene transition, close-ups of different wood types. Take oak, for instance. Renowned for its strength and durability, it's often chosen for furniture. On the other hand, cherry wood offers a beautiful reddish hue that deepens with age, perfect for elegant pieces. Understanding these properties is fundamental for any craftsman. To choose the right wood can elevate a project from good to extraordinary. Cut to the craftsman selecting wood, inspecting its grain. Once the wood is selected, it's time for preparation. This involves cutting the wood down to manageable sizes and optimizing it for the planned design. Here's where precision is key. The craftsman measures twice, cuts once. Any mistakes at this stage can impact the entire project. Show the craftsman using tools like saws, planes, and chisels. With the wood prepped, the creation process truly begins. Craftsmen employ a variety of tools, each serving a specific purpose. Hand planes and chisels allow for fine detail work, while power tools can expedite larger cuts. It's a blend of old-world techniques and modern technology, creating a unique dance of craftsmanship. Cut to the craftsman sanding and smoothing the wood. After shaping, the next vital step is sanding. This meticulous process ensures that the surface is smooth to the touch and free of any imperfections. It's also an opportunity for the artisan to engage with the material, feeling the texture and making adjustments as needed. Scene change, the craftsman applying finish to the wood. Once the sanding is complete, it's time for finishing. Whether it's oil, varnish, or a natural beeswax, the finish brings out the wood's natural beauty and protects it for years to come. The application of finish is like the final stroke of a painting, it enhances the underlying artistry. Show before and after shots of finished wood pieces. Look at the transformation. What started as a raw piece of wood now shines with character and craftsmanship. Each piece tells a story, a narrative of nature, art, and human touch. Transition to showcasing completed projects, furniture, home decor, etc. Let's take a moment to admire some of these handcrafted creations. From elegant coffee tables to intricate wall art, each item reflects the skill and dedication of the artisan. They are not just functional, they are treasures meant to be cherished. Cut to the craftsman discussing his passion for woodworking. I recently spoke with one of our talented artisans, who shared what woodworking means to him. Every time I work with wood, I feel connected to nature. It's a meditative process, transforming something raw into beauty. This connection is intrinsic to many craftsmen, fostering a deep appreciation for the materials they work with. Scene shift to community involvement, workshops, teaching others. Crafted Wood Studio is also about community. We offer workshops where aspiring woodworkers can learn these skills firsthand. There's nothing quite like sharing the joy of crafting with others, passing on the knowledge, and seeing someone's face light up when they create something for the first time. Transition back to the craftsman at work. Whether it's creating a custom piece for a client, a gift for a loved one, or simply crafting for the joy of it, woodworking is an art form that transcends time. It connects us to our past and allows us to leave a mark for future generations. Montage of various woodworking creations. If you found today's journey into the world of handcrafted wood inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with fellow woodworking enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe for more content from Crafted Wood Studio. Your support helps us continue to share the beauty of this incredible craft with others. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, every piece of wood has its story. Let's keep crafting. Until next time.